In this set of videos we'll be showing you how to utilize some of the slightly more advanced functionality within the PanelPilotACE Design Studio. Each of these videos will build upon the last, so I highly recommend that you watch each of them in order so that you get a full understanding of what is going on. Before we begin, I'll give you a quick demonstration of the finished product so that you know what it is that we're working towards. So within the first tutorial video I'll show you how to make this basic layout, including the border, the digital clock, the digital meter, as well as the alarm functionality that you can see here. Within the second tutorial video I'll be showing you how to utilize digital inputs and outputs, and in this case we'll be using them to change screen. So with the digital input 1 is set to 1, we will be on the settings page, and while it is set to 0 we'll be on the meter page here. Next, in the third tutorial video I'll show you how to make variables and how to toggle them. As you can see here, we're toggling between Celsius and Fahrenheit, as well as we're toggling our clock visibility. At present, however, this is page dependent, so in the fourth and final tutorial video I will be showing you how to make these variables useful on the other pages so that we can then set our variables on the settings page, and as you can see they will become present on the main page as well.